tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to split the bill with someone here on PayPal. So once PayPal is opened up, just go to the top left, press on the three horizontal lines, then just scroll down once you're on this page to where it says get paid, and then where it says split the bill, go ahead and press on that. Once you're here, you can type in the amounts that you want to split, or the total, I guess, of the bill that you'll be splitting. So, for example, if you had a bill that was $100, you can type in $100 and then go ahead and press on next. It'll then go ahead and tell you to, I guess, split with someone. So, just go ahead and type in someone quickly. Once that person is selected, which as you can tell, I have selected them, you can go ahead and press on next. On this page right here, you can go ahead and do the total. So if you wanted to split the right down the middle, for example, you can go ahead and do 50-50. You can also select the pencil right here and change the amount. Then once that is done, just go to the bottom and press on review. After you press on review, you can just see the bill one final time. And then once that is done, you can press on request and then request to split the bill with that person this way. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to split the bill with someone here on PayPal. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.